Guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Bukola, and if you're returning, yes, we are back again on another episode on BBT Affairs. And I have been saying I want to change my name, but I am still not getting any reply, so for now I'm leaving it. I wanted to change it to my Instagram name. So if you would like me to change it, let me know in the comment section. So how is everything going? Hope you're enjoying your lockdown. What are you doing? I hope you're feeding well. I hope you're taking enough water, and I hope you're minding your business. Okay. That's too much. Let's go back to the business of the day. First impression. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about a particular product because I know I get a lot of DM about, oh, I mixed this with this, I have used this particular product, I have added this particular one to this one, it is not working, I have tried it. In fact, I was even using this particular cream twice in a day and it is not working. The truth is, no matter how much we preach that we are limit bleaching or how we use chemicals to lighten our skin, I still want to tell you that some people are very much interested in using some bleaching product, and which is fine. It's their choice. It's not your choice, you know. It's their choice. So I now want to make a review. I'm not even making a review. I just want to put this very important information out, so I would like you to watch this video too. Okay, if you know you fall into the category of people that have been mixing cream, and maybe, okay, you have added a lot of serums to your cream and it is still not working. You have added a lot of oils to your cream and it is not like, it's not just giving you the results you want. Like, you've read a lot about this particular serum that you are using, that okay, if you use this one, it's going to lighten up your skin, it's going to do this, it's going to do that. Or you use a particular oil, your hair is going to glow your skin, it's going to do this. Okay, you have now added all of this to your cream. In fact, you have added it to your lightening cream for that matter, and at the end of the day it is still not working. So what exactly do you think is the problem? Yeah, I know you're wondering. I'm wondering too. What exactly do you think is the problem? So here today I bring to you an humectant that is used in delivering ingredients in cosmetics. This is a particular ingredient that is very, very common in the cosmetic world, and I want to tell you that okay, you don't know about it because you are just pro-mixing for yourself. You are not doing to sell. But I just want to tell you that, do you add topic glycol to your cream mixing? Yeah, do you add it to your cream mixing? This is part of a very particular product that is needed, a particular ingredient that is needed. It is one ingredient that is needed in mixing your cream. A lot of creams don't work because they don't contain propyl glycol. And let me tell you that if you add propyl glycol to your skin, to your cream, I want to tell you this, and I won't tell you how it works. It's going to like help whatever active ingredient. It's going to help whatever active ingredient is present in whatever cream you are using. Yes, like it speed up the work it does. Like it's going to help whatever active ingredients in the cream you're making or in the cream you're using go very deep into your skin. It's going to help your product, whatever product you're using, it is definitely going to help it penetrate well into your skin. And trust me, once the oil you are using penetrates well into your skin, once the cream you are using penetrates well into your skin, are you still going to have a problem of your cream not working? No. Yeah, so if you know you've been mixing cream and it's not working for you, I want to tell you that okay, the addition of propyl glycol will help whatever active ingredient is in your cream penetrate well into your skin and help it to work. I can tell you that there are a lot of people that mix cream and forget that they have to add propyl glycol to it. It boosts the effect of whatever active ingredient it is in your cream. So if you know you're mixing cream or your cream doesn't work, or whenever you're done mixing your cream still does not work on your skin, and you're looking for what to add to it, you should use it less to make your cream work. Be it you're mixing a caramel cream, be it you're mixing a lightening cream or a whitening cream, please make sure you add propyl glycol to it to make your product penetrate. I want you to believe that it is going to work well once there is an active propyl glycol in your product. It's going to help your product penetrate into your skin very well, and you're going to have the best result ever. So I hope with this information I have been able to help someone like get a solution to that problem of their cream not working. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Please, I need your time, I need my watch hours, I need you guys to watch my videos because it means a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe, share my videos with your friends, and trust me, there are a lot of your friends that need this information. Please try and share this information with them. Poppy Guy always go to ingredients for you to always add to your cream to make it very, very effective. See you in my next video. Bye.